Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the 3D benchmark comparison between the Poco X2 device versus the Poco X3 device. As you can clearly see here, friends. And one thing is that both phones, they do have the different kind of Snapdragon processor. So whereas the Poco X2 has a Snapdragon 730G processor and the Poco X3 has the Snapdragon 732G, which is the latest 700 series, so which is present in the Poco X3 smartphone. So let's see, friends, by running this kind of 3D benchmark comparison side by side, which phone will be finishing the test faster and which phone will be scoring the more results and how much difference will be there between both of the smartphones. We'll get to know all of these things in this video. And in case if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using right now in this video on the Poco X2 and the Poco X3, so try to check the links in description for the wallpaper playlist. You can find very good interesting videos for the wallpapers as well. Not only for wallpapers, if you are interested to buy the Poco X3 or Poco X2, try to check the playlist of the Poco X3 and other smartphones, so you can find so many videos which are already reviewed in depth on each and every smartphone. So let me try to open the application here 3D Mark and try to start the test as well. And in this test I'll be trying to use only a single slingshot extreme only. I'll try to use only that option. So right now you can see, friends, I have started the test at same time in both the smartphones. So Poco X2 on the top and Poco X3 is in the bottom here, as you can see clearly. I'm decreasing the volume as well, everything. So and both phones, they are running at the 120 FPS refresh rate as well. In case if you're worrying what refresh rate I have used, so both are running at the 120 FPS only, the screen refresh rate. So let's see, friends, which phone will actually finish this benchmark comparison test when you compare with the 730G versus to the 732G processor as well. So let's see how much the score will be different as well. And meanwhile, so don't forget to check the links in description. I'm saying again and again because that will be very much helpful for you in case if you're planning to buy either of the smartphones. So you need to know more and more things. Again, I'll be back after the test has been completed. So I'll be showing you the results. As you can see, friends, the Poco X3 finished the test first, then the Poco X2 smartphone. So here are the quick 3D benchmark results when you compare side by side with the Poco X2 versus the Poco X3 smartphone. So you can see the difference as well in terms of the score. So 2300 versus a 2700 score, so which is a very good thing in the Poco X3 device, and 2199 versus the 2416 as well, you can see. So let me try to show you the few details of the FPS meters and everything. So how much you got in both the smartphones, 15 and 34 and 19, 14 and 28 and 16. So this is a quick 3D benchmark comparison between both of the smartphones. So you need to know this kind of benchmarks as well. So not only the Antutu benchmark and Geekbench. So I'm trying to do even the 3D benchmark comparisons even with the most of my smartphones. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.